Hi, so my name is Mauli Jabin and I'm glad to be presenting to you this episodes of mine. Something quite pressing. I mean, after some time of traveling a lot, I just thought I could bring to you something more like an adventure kit, starter kit sort of, where for anyone who wants to travel, you might want to consider a few thing or two so that you could include in your bag whilst traveling or going for the adventure. Number one is your travel bag. So for most times, I advise for adventure purposes, I advise you go for a hatchback. So a bag that fits to your back. So that will, free your hands for holding or gripping stuff when hiking, or for holding water or two. You can imagine going for an adventure and then you are holding the bag with one hand and you are holding another thing with the other hand. After some time, some sort of fatigue will set in the hand that you are using. So I advise you go for a bag that fits to your back. For me, I can suggest Decathlon. Decathlon does give and sell such bags, and so you could check them out.